Hello viewer, in this video I am going to explain you about arithmetic progression. So before going to arithmetic progression, first we should understand what is a sequence and what is a series. For example, I will take an example, say 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. If you see this collection of numbers, these are all even numbers. So in this collection of numbers, if you see, the numbers are arranged in a particular order. That is, they are arranged in a ascending order. So, for example, if I take a collection of numbers as 2, 8, 4, say 10, 6. If you see this collection of numbers, they are not arranged in a particular order. First it is increasing, then it is decreasing, then it is increasing, and it is decreasing. These are not arranged in a particular order. So always remember, in a sequence, the numbers will be arranged in a particular order. This is the first rule. Second thing is, they should be arranged as per a law. For example, if you see, the second number is 2 more than the first number. That means they are following a certain rule. They are not arranged as they like. They are following a certain rule. Now let us take another example. For say, I have 2, 8, then 12, 14, 16 and so on. If you see this collection of numbers, 2, if you add 6 to 2, you will get 8. So 2 is becoming 8, 6 is being added. So for the first number, 6 is added, and for the second number, 4 is added. And for the third number, 2 is added. 12 plus 2 is 14. So these numbers are not following a certain rule. So it's very important for a collection of number to be a sequence that they should follow a certain rule. If you see the first collection of numbers, they are arranged in a definite order, that is from smaller to bigger, and not only that, they are following a certain rule. That is, the difference between any two numbers, if you take, they are equal to 2. Any collection of numbers which satisfies these first two conditions, such a collection of numbers is called a sequence. So we can call this collection as a sequence. Now, here we have numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8. These numbers are called terms of the sequence or elements of the sequence. Now next, let us see the definition of series. What does series mean? So, if you take a sequence, say I have taken this sequence, if the terms or the elements of the sequence, if they are connected with a plus or minus sign, then such a sequence is called a series. For example, I will take the same sequence. Now here, if you take the terms of this sequence, they are separated by commas. So instead of separating by commas, I will put plus or minus sign. For example, I write the same sequence as 2 plus 4, then 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 and so on. I can write it in this way, or I can say 100 minus 98 minus 96 minus 94 dash dash dash. These two are also a type of sequence. But here the elements of this sequence are connected by plus sign here, and the elements of the sequence are connected with a minus sign here. So these kind of sequences we can call it as series. So series is nothing but a sequence of numbers which are connected, in which the elements are connected by either plus sign or minus sign. Now let us see the definition of arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence or series of numbers in which each number can be obtained by adding certain number or certain quantity to its previous number. That is, for example, I will take a simple series or sequence, whatever it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 100. I have taken all the natural numbers up to 100. So, this is a arithmetic progression. Why? Because if you observe this 2 here, how do you get 2? If you add 1 to, first element is 1. If you add 1 to this 1, you will get 2. You add 1 to this 2, you will get 3. You add 1 to this 3, you will get 4. you add 1 to this 4, you will get 5. That means in this sequence, every term can be obtained by adding certain quantity to its earlier number. Here, you can obtain each member of this series by adding 1 to its previous number. So, 5 can be obtained by adding 1 to 4. 4 can be obtained by adding 1 to 3. 3 can be obtained by adding 1 to 2. So, this kind of sequence is called arithmetic progression. So, if you are given a series or a sequence and if you want to check whether the series or sequence is a arithmetic progression or not, let us see here. Now, second term is 2. Take 2 minus, you take the first element, that is element minus the preceding element. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Now you take 3. 3 minus, you take subtract 2 from it. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. In the same way, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 5 minus 4 is also equal to 1. So here, when you are subtracting a number from its preceding number, you are getting 1. In every case, you are getting 1. So, if in a series or a sequence, if the numbers are arranged in this kind of order, if the difference between any two numbers, if it is same, then such a series or sequence we can call it as a arithmetic progression. Now, let us see how to check whether a given series is in arithmetic progression or not. So, this is one example. So, just very simple, the procedure is very simple. Take the difference between two numbers in the sequence or series given. If the difference between any two numbers of the sequence, if it is same, then the given series or sequence is in arithmetic progression. I hope you like this introduction to the arithmetic progression topic. So if you want to encourage me, please share this video, post your comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In future, I will be coming with more videos on arithmetic progression. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Have a nice day.